Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. SwitchBot Relay Switch 1 PM. Transform regular lights and appliances into smart devices in just 10 minutes. It is compatible with Alexa, Google, Siri, IFTTT, SmartThings and supports Matter. It's perfect for wall switches, garden lights, ceiling fans, heaters and more. You can control everything from the SwitchBot app. We have the manual in the box and that's all. This tiny device, so small, just love it. One button here, test button with the indicator, and we have 7 connections. 2 neutral, 3 live, 1 it is the load, and the switch. Max 16 amps, AC 100 to 240 volts, and DC 24 to 30 volts. Matter support. Amazing. This tiny device, it can do so many things. So let me show you how you can connect this device at your regular switch with a light. On, off. We have the live cable and the neutral. Live cable goes at the switch and from the switch at the light. And one neutral at the light. Very typical electrical diagram. So let me show you how you can connect this tiny device. First of all, turn off the power. We need to remove these 2 cables. And connect the live cable at the L of this device, live. You need one screwdriver. Perfect. Then we need one neutral cable to add because it needs power this device. From the neutral, the main source, together with a light. Here are the neutral. And then the load, this cable from the light, here at the load. And then we need the switch with 2 cables. One connect at the live. And the other at the SW switch. Perfect. That is all the cables that you need. And then you need to install this tiny device inside this plastic case and then the switch. Before that, I would like to power it on. We can see it's flashing. Test switch on and off. Now we can add the switch at this plastic housing. Let me remove the cover. And of course you can use the switch. Let's start the setup. SwitchBot app. Add the device. Relay switch, some informations, next. 1 PM, determine the power supply system you use, AC or DC, AC. Pictorial guide or video guide, Connect device. Let's test. It's working. Next. You need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Add the password. Next. From your Wi-Fi router. You can rename the device.
I found Relay Switch 1PM A6 from the SwitchBot Smart Skill, and you can control it by saying, turn off Relay Switch 1PM A6.
Thank you, Alexa. Pick a room. Display type, switch or light. Switch, start using. And on, instant response, off. I just love it. We can see the power, the amps, the voltage, history data. At any time you can check the power consumption from this device. Schedule, you can add, adjust the minutes and the hour. Time only once, repeat, choose the days of the week. Action on or off, save, create it, disable, enable, and you can delete. Delay, you can adjust the hour and the minutes. Logs, you can check all the logs. Settings, switch 1. Display type, icon, you can change the icon. Type, switch or light. Switch. State after power on, turn on, off. Restore the last mode it was in, base it on the state of the connected switch or button. Last mode. Mistouch prevention you can enable or disable. Wi-Fi settings, third-party services, for all that. Alexa, turn on switch 1. Alexa, turn off switch 1. Same thing you can do it with Google and other third-party services. NFC, turn on, turn off, switch between on and off. You can pair SwitchBot tag with your devices through NFC. Matter setup, you can set up and that. Make sure you have everything needed to use Matter. Firmware version, you can make an update. Whether you are looking to automate your home, save energy, or simply add a layer of modern convenience to your daily life, the Relay Switch 1PM is an absolute game changer. Its compact size, robust features, and reliable performance make it a standout in the smart home market. So, if you've got those traditional appliances lying around that you wish were smart, the SwitchBot Relay Switch is definitely the solution you've been looking for. It's a simple, effective, and affordable way to upgrade your home without replacing everything you already own. Do you have any creative ways you'd use it in your home? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you're interested in picking up the SwitchBot Relay Switch, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more unboxings, reviews and smart home tech insights. Hit the notification bell too so you don't miss any of our future videos. Until next time, stay smart, stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video.